Amazon PPC bid strategies for beginners. Just getting started with Amazon PPC? Your bids decide if your ads show up and how much you'll pay when they do. Let's break down the 3 core bidding strategies every Amazon seller should know. First, fixed bids. With fixed bidding, Amazon uses the exact bid you set. No more, no less. Use this when you want maximum control. It's ideal for testing new campaigns or keywords, and helpful for budget-conscious campaigns. But here's the trade-off. No adjustment means you could miss chances to win impressions at lower costs or lose out in real-time auctions. Second, dynamic bids, down only. This strategy tells Amazon, only lower my bids if there's a lower chance of converting. It helps save money by avoiding low-converting clicks. It's great for mature campaigns focused on efficiency, and works well for retargeting or broad match ads where results may vary. Amazon adjusts your bid in real time based on performance data and shopper intent. Third, dynamic bids up and down. Here, Amazon can increase or decrease your bid depending on how likely a conversion is. This works best when you trust Amazon's algorithm, you want maximum visibility and sales, or you're in a competitive niche. Amazon can raise your bid by up to 100% if a click seems very likely to convert. It's aggressive, but great when you want more volume, fast. So, which strategy should you use? If you're a new seller, start with down-only or fixed bids. If you're more advanced, experiment with up and down once you know your numbers. And always monitor your campaigns. Bid strategy is just one lever. Your keyword targeting, product pricing, listing quality, and reviews matter too. Want to make bid changes easier and smarter? Try tools like SellerMate.AI. You can set automated bid rules to save time and improve return on investment.